What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, let's talk about something every beginner asks. Can I really start trading with just $100? Now, some people will laugh and say, nah, you need thousands of dollars. Others will hype you up with false promises. Bro, just flip $100 into 10K overnight. Both extremes, they're wrong. The truth is this: $100 is enough to start your trading journey in 2025, but only if you approach it the right way. It's not about getting rich instantly. It's about learning the habits, the discipline, and the mindset of a real trader. Stick with me, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I'd personally start trading with $100 this year. I'll talk about mindset, risk management, how I'd use Olymp trade, and a realistic growth plan. And at the end, I'll share the 3 traps that wipe out small accounts so you don't repeat those mistakes. Let's be real, $100 won't make you a millionaire. If that's your expectation, you're setting yourself up for heartbreak. Think of that $100 as school fees, not an investment, not life changing money, but tuition for your trading education. Like paying for gym membership, you're buying access to practice and improve. Here's an example. I knew a guy who deposited $100 and doubled it in one lucky trade. He thought he cracked the code. Next day, lost everything. Why? Because he never learned risk management. That's the difference between treating $100 like a lottery ticket versus treating it like tuition. Tuition buys you lessons, and lessons compound into real growth. If I had only $100, my first goal wouldn't be profits. My first goal would be survival. I'd follow one rule religiously: never risk more than 2 5% per trade. On $100, that means risking $2 to $5 max. Most beginners scoff at that. They think, bro, I can't get rich risking $2. And they're right, you can't, but you can build consistency, which is 10 times more valuable. Let's compare it to fitness. Imagine you've never been to the gym before. You don't walk in and try to deadlift 200 kilos on day one. You'll break your back. You start light, perfect your form, and slowly add weight. Trading is the same. $100 is your light weight. You're training your form, your discipline, your patience, your emotional control. If you can't handle $100 without breaking rules, you won't magically succeed with $10,000. You'll just blow it faster. Now, here's the good news. In 2025, you don't need Wall Street access or complicated platforms. Tools like Olymp Trade make it possible for beginners to start simple. If I had $100, I wouldn't even touch real money on day one. I'd live on the Olymp Trade demo account for at least a week or two. Why? Because demo trading lets you test strategies, experiment, make mistakes, and feel the market without burning cash. It's like a flight simulator for traders. You crash, you restart, no harm done. Then, when I moved to my real $100 account, I'd trade small, risk $2 $3 per trade, reward. Aim for 4 to 6x, 1.2 risk to reward. Frequency 1 to 2 trades per day, max. And here's a hack: Olymp Trade often gives deposit bonuses. So if you fund $100 and use a promo code, you might get $130 or $150 trading credit. That bonus extends your runway, giving you more trades to practice without extra money from your pocket. So, how do you grow $100 realistically? Here's my plan. Month 1: Survival mode. My only goal: don't blow the account. Even if I end with $90 or 110, I count that as a win because I lasted a full month. Most beginners don't. Month 2: Consistency mode. If I survived, I'll slowly bump risk from $2 to $3 $5 per trade. Still small, still safe. Month 3: Growth mode. By now, the goal isn't doubling the account overnight. It's slowly growing it to 120, 130, maybe 150. That might sound boring, but think about it. If you can consistently grow $100 by 30, 50%, then when you later trade with $1,000 or $10,000, those same habits can multiply your account massively. This is where most people get it wrong. They want to skip the small steps, but the small account phase is where you build the habits that make scaling possible. Now let's talk about the traps that destroy small accounts. If you only have $100, watch out for these: overtrading. You get excited, take 10 trades a day, and bleed your account dry. Slow down. 1 or 2 quality trades is enough. Revenge trading. you lose $10 and instantly try to win it back. That emotional spiral is how people blow $100 in an afternoon, ignoring the demo. Beginners think demo trading is fake, but skipping it is like driving without ever practicing. You crash fast. Avoid these traps, and your $100 account can survive long enough to teach you what really matters. So, if I had only $100 in 2025, here's exactly what I'd do. Treat it like tuition, not a lottery ticket. Risk 2 to 5% per trade, stay disciplined. Spend time on the Olymp trade demo before touching live money. Follow a 3-month plan. Survive, build consistency, then grow slowly. Avoid overtrading, revenge trades, and skipping practice. Because here's the truth, if you can manage $100 with discipline, you can manage $10,000 the same way. The habits don't change, only the number of zeros. If you're ready to start, check out Olymp Trade. I'll drop the link and bonus code in the description. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more real talk about trading, and let's grow together in 2025.